What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Granny. I'm facing my friend, and yeah, I'm gonna be playing with my cousin. Only my cousin, because my cousin is super sick. So let's get started. Okay.
Christian's here.
Hi, Christian.
Hello.
Where are they? Where are they? Mississippi. Ooh. Okay, there they come. No, wait. I'm having technical difficulties right now. We're about to play Granny. Granny, hello, Granny. But this is gonna be scary. Okay, so
This is the something that.
Oh, okay, it's a red balloon. Hey, oh, wait, what was that? Did you see that?
Yes. Try to go in the red balloon again.
No, I saw something outside. I just don't know. Okay, so
Always want to rank.
did you join me yet? You gotta.
No, because it's X.
Click that X. Reload.
Well, what is it? X.
Okay, so anyways, let's
Chocolate bubbles.
no. Okay, so we started the survivors and blah blah blah, and I actually don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, yeah, let's go. Oh, we're in the lobby. Okay. There's red balloons everywhere. Wait, no, wait, stay there. Stay. Dang it, I saw something earlier. Spooky. Yeah?
Have you seen my new one?
No.
Oh my god. Hide. You have to hide, guys.
Wait, I'm not. What happened? I'm not on.
Oh, no.
Oh, I'm Granny.
Oh no.
Oh my god, I'm Granny.
No, don't get me, please.
I had to. I'm Granny.
I'm sure this is cheating. This is Minecraft. I don't want you to.
I'm Granny. I'm Granny, guys. That's scary. I'm actually scared. It's my first time being Granny, so I've actually never been Granny before.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna find you guys.
Look. Do you remember Jada? I turn this music off. Like, boy. Music off. Turn off your freaking flashlights or Granny will kill you.
Oh, I see you guys. I already see you guys. Good job.
Okay.
Yes, I got one. Where's the others? I see them.
Oh no. The fridge. Is it? What? Why?
Okay, I'm coming. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay.
Oh, there's a ghost behind here.
Where? Okay. There's actually, I see a lot of people right here, so I'm just gonna get them first, okay? I won't get you. Well, because I already know where you guys are, so I'll get you guys first. Oh, okay. I got them already. Oh wow, I see a lot of red dots.
Oh, you get red dots?
Yeah. Oh geez, okay, I'm stuck. Okay, hey, I see you, dude.
You can't shut, boy.
How'd you get up there?
You can't shine your flashlight.
How'd you get up there?
7, 6, 5, 4.
What the heck?
3, 2, 1. Yeah.
No! No! Dude, what the heck? Actually, fair enough. There's like a lot of people here, so how do we do this? I wasn't gonna die, Mom's granny. Like, I did die at the end, but like, not really. Ooh, it's Obby. Obey the Obby.
I cannot.
Yeah, you can't do that.
I did it last time.
Now you can. Well, you're on. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, I can hide. Okay. Okay, so
Chocolate puppies.
as long as I don't get killed, then I am safe.
Yes.
There you go. I made it on top of like some buildings.
No.
Okay, I think I'm safe. I'm probably safe.
No, I got it. I got it.
What?
I got it.
You remember this?
What?
You remember Jada?
Yeah, I remember her. She dropped my pirate booty. Oh my god!
Is that what you remember?
Yes! You dropped my pirate booty!
Wait, what?
I don't know. I fell off the building, so I can't see what's happening.
No, I got off. Someone's using the phone.
Okay, good. Oh my god, this is scary.
You got one?
Please don't see me, please don't see me, please don't see me, please don't see me. Yeah.
This is the new Xbox.
Cool.
Okay.
I just saw Granny.
Oh, yes.
I just saw Granny.
Haha, Granny can't kill me. You can't kill me either. Oh my god.
No, like Granny was like walking right past me. She was like right here.
What? I'm so like, you know, this
What? No! Dude! Oh my god! Okay, next we're gonna be playing epic mini games. Not games for days. I don't know what I said.
like one more win to get it. To get it. Just one more.
We're not gonna be playing for long because my time is almost up. For some reason. Okay. I am the Crusher. Don't know what that is, but whatever.
Yeah, Easter time.
Okay.
I cannot see.
Yeah. Okay, I'm in level 10. There we go.
I'm poor too. I'm poor. I cannot see.
I want to change my username, but I can't. I I don't have enough Robux. But whatever, it's fine. I'm poor, and I'm proud to be. Oh, geez, Naruto! Naruto! Okay.
Susan?
No one cares if you're the last one. Oh, gee!
No!
Oh, gee! No! Oh my god, what? I didn't see that coming.
I was trying.
Oh no. Heck no.
160 goblin. A taco.
It's raining tacos.
Tacos.
Come on in the sky.
Tacos.
Raining so high. I don't know the lyrics, but whatever. That didn't really last long. Ooh, climate control. I wanna play climate control. Oh jeez. Okay. Oh, okay.
What?
My awesome body will always lead the way.
It's raining tacos.
Okay, we gotta claim the clouds. Okay, yeah, we can do that. Oh, okay, it's on, bro. It's on. Why is it glitching? Stop glitching. Don't glitch on me. Don't glitch. When did I say to glitch on me? Painted one blue, I know that. Oh my god, these are so glitchy. They're so glitchy. No, it's ours. Stop glitching. Stop glitching. How can we do this? How can we deal with this? Alright, you have 3 seconds. Red's probably gonna win. Yeah, because the glitch does not work. Okay, I think we're gonna end it right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the and we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.